For a stationary wave, y equal to 10 sine of pi x divided by 15 into cos of 48 pi t, and that is expressed in what? Centimeter. Now find the distance between node and the successive antinode. What we have to find? Distance between node, distance between what? Node and successive antinode, distance between node and successive antinode. Now we know what is the condition for formation of node. Node is formed where amplitude A is 0, antinode is formed where amplitude of particle A is maximum. Amplitude of particle is what? Maximum. So if we compare this equation with the standard equation, y is equal to, compare the given equation with standard equation, y is equal to a cos of omega t. So what we get? Amplitude A is equal to, on comparison we get amplitude A is equal to 10 into sine of pi x divided by 15, 10 into sine of pi x divided by 15. Now for formation of node, A must be 0. A must be 0, it means what? 10 into sine of pi x divided by 15, it must be 0. So sine of which angle has 0 value? Sine of 0 has 0 value, means pi into x by 15, it must be equal to 0, or this implies that x must be 0. It means what we can say? That node is formed at a distance when x is equal to 0. Means node is formed at x equal to 0. Now what is the condition for formation of antinode? For formation of antinode, A must be maximum. A must be maximum. And what is the maximum value of A? See here, A is nothing but 10 sine of pi x divided by 15. So for A to be maximum, what we want? That sine of pi x divided by 15, it must be equal to 1. This is the maximum value of sine of any angle. Sine of which angle is value 1? So that angle pi x divided by 15, it must be equal to pi by 2, because sine 90 is equal to what? Sine 90 is equal to 1. So this pi on two side get cancelled. So x is equal to 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5 centimeter. So see here, node is formed at x equal to 0 and the adjacent antinode is formed at x is equal to 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. We want to find out distance between node and successive antinode. What we have to find out? Distance between node and successive antinode. Here node is formed at 0 and antinode is formed at what? 7.5 centimeter. So 7.5 minus 0 means the distance between node and successive antinode is 7.5 centimeter. So option A is the correct option for this question.